What are the best days of the week to trade Forex? Should I avoid entering the market on Monday and Friday? Or I need to trade every day? Let's do some back testing to find out more. Hi and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel, where we learn and test your trading strategies and share with you tips on how to improve your Forex investment. Our channel is growing every day thanks to your support and encouragement. The live market series, where we trade the most common strategies, seems to be extremely popular among our community. There is always a need to learn more about the best stocks, Forex and commodity trading strategies, which is the purpose of this channel. We enjoy trading, we just wanna teach it with live market actions. Today we will try to identify the best day to trade Forex in general by backtesting one of the top 3 strategies on this channel. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow and encourage us to make more content in future. Let's get started.
Here is the agenda for today. We will start by explaining the setup in brief, then backtest the strategy, while answering some of your questions from the comment section. Once done, we will know which are the most profitable days to trade this strategy, and the days you should stay away from your trading platform. At the end we will share with you a little surprise, so stay tuned. We have previously asked this question in our public Telegram group to see what are the most profitable days to trade Forex according to our community. Here are the results. Tuesday and Wednesday seem to be the most popular days. Monday and Friday are the least popular based on the experience of the participants. We will try to backtest one of our strategies to see how close the poll results are to reality. By the way, if you are not a member of our Telegram group, feel free to join us by clicking on the link available in the description. We will choose the ADX and Alligator strategy that we have previously tested on this channel. The strategy is among the top 3 strategies we have ever backtested here. Feel free to watch the full video later, but we will give a summary about it to help our first-time viewers. The Average Directional Movement Index (ADX) is a trend indicator that can lead traders to reduce risk and increase profit potential. The higher is the ADX value, the stronger is the trend. The ADX is a trading indicator that assesses the strength of the trend momentum. By default, when the ADX value is low, the market is eventually consolidating. In today's strategy, we will consider entering the market as soon as the ADX value crosses above the 25% level. Such strategy will help us reducing the chances of trading during the market consolidation phase. The main purpose of the ADX is to determine whether a stock, future, or currency pair is trending or is in a trading range. The second indicator we will be using today is the Williams Alligator indicator, which was invented by Bill Williams and uses 3 lines which are actually moving averages with a spin. When the price is close to the 3 lines, the 3 moving averages comprise the jaw, teeth, and lips of the alligator. We will avoid entering the market as the market is consolidating. We will only enter the market when there is a distance between the price and the 3 lines, which signifies that an important trend is formed. Well, the rules are pretty simple. When the ADX crosses above the 25 mark, we will go long if the price is above the lips and short if the price is below the jaw. We need to be sure that there is a relatively enough distance between the price and the closest Williams Alligator line, which signifies that the trend is strong enough. The risk-to-reward ratio is 1 to 1.2. To make life easier, we will associate different colors to each one of the days of the week by using a certain indicator to highlight each one of the 5 days for Forex trading. You can apply the same strategy for stocks, indices, or even binary options market if you wish to carry out this experiment and find out which day is best to trade your favorite trading strategy and financial market. You can see that each color is representing one day. We have designed a simple Excel sheet to backtest a strategy. The legend with color will help us recording the results faster. When we record a trade in a particular day, we will just add the result to Excel under the right column. Alright, let's start backtesting. We will choose the Euro-USD pair and use the 5 minutes chart. We will try to begin the process from the earliest date trading view allows us to go back to. We will fast forward the video to save time. If you enjoy this type of videos, kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here. Alright, let's answer some of your questions from the YouTube comment section. The first question is from DW, who is interested to learn more about backtesting. So far we have shared many videos on this channel where we backtested different trading strategies. We always highlight the importance of backtesting various strategies on a regular basis to improve your investment results. The process could be done manually or using an expert advisor, which has been built according to the strategy you are backtesting. So far we have only shared the manual backtesting method on this channel, which relies on the usage of an Excel sheet and a trading platform. You can download your free trading journal template from the comment section. Let us know in the comments section if you are interested to learn how to do your backtesting process automatically. The second question is from Luxurious Me, who wants us to test the engulfing patterns 100 times with the help of the support and resistance structures. I personally believe that this strategy is pretty solid, but when it comes to the candlestick patterns, it's always important to look at the entire scenario. A context where you have a bullish engulfing pattern next to a bullish one is strongly different from a scenario where you see an engulfing pattern after a consolidation phase. If you check out the live market series where we traded the market without an indicator, you would notice the importance of the support and resistance levels in understanding the price actions. We have previously done a similar backtesting video where we backtested the major candlestick pattern. Adding the support and resistance structures will definitely change the potential win rate. Other than that, we believe that none of the strategies will ever make you a fortune without a proper investment risk management and some regular backtesting to keep the strategy relevant for the current market conditions. Alright, we have finished our backtesting video. Before we reveal the results, kindly give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy the content to help the channel grow and encourage us to make more content in future. Kindly notice that the results are only representing the strategy and time frame we use today. The results are not conclusive and might change, especially during major fundamental times. This is a Forex backtesting video. The results will definitely differ if we are trading stocks, indices, binary options or any other financial instrument or asset. Let's look at the trades we have made before jumping to the final results. Well, we have made 38 trades throughout time, and Friday was the day where we recorded the highest number of trades, followed by Tuesday and Thursday. And there are days where we didn't record any entry. It's important to strictly follow the strategy, even if it doesn't give us any entry for 1 or 2 days, that's totally normal. Well, here are the final results. The average line represents the average pips made during the day in question. The total pips line reflects the total number of pips made in that particular day across the backtesting period of time. You can see that we have made more pips on Thursday, followed by Tuesday and Wednesday. On the other hand, we were negative on Monday and Friday. Based on this backtesting video, Thursday seems to be the best day to apply this strategy, unlike Friday where we had more trades, but the overall result was negative. You can see here a comparison between the results or the poll we conducted on Telegram. You can see that both results show that it's better to trade Forex on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. We should be more careful before trading Forex on Monday and Friday. What do you think of these results? Do you look at the day as an important factor before entering the market? Let us know in the comment section.
Wait, we have got a little surprise for you guys. As per your request, we are going to start a new YouTube series where we grow a small Forex account together. We are not sure of the balance you want us to start with, so we created a poll on our Facebook group to get your opinion. If you are not in the group yet, feel free to join us by clicking on the link available in the description section. Thank you for watching and happy trading.